Hey everyone, welcome back to Civil Guru. Let's go through some of the most commonly used abbreviations in construction and what they stand for. A.C.Sheet, Asbestos Cement Sheet. B. O.Q, Bill of Quantities. C. A. Coarse Aggregate. C. Cement Concrete. C. G. S. Sheet, Corrugated Galvanized Steel Sheet. C. I. Cast Iron. C. L. Center Line. C. M. Cement Mortar. C. P. Chrome Plated. C. S. Area, Cross-sectional area. D. P. C. Damp Proof Cores. F. L. Finished Floor Level. F. R. P. Fiberglass, Reinforced Plastic. F. T. Floor Trap. G. F. L. Ground Floor Level. G. I. Galvanized Iron. G. L. Ground Level. G. T. Gully Trap. H. D. Cover, Heavy Duty Cover. H. D. P. High Density Polythene. I. C. Inspection Chamber. I. D. Internal Diameter. I. P. S. Indian Patent Stone. Y. S. Indian Standard. I. S. A. Indian Standard Angle. I. S. M. B. Indian Standard Medium Beam. I. S. M. C. Indian Standard Medium Channel. A. S. R. B. Indian Standard Round Bars. I. W. C. Indian Water Closet. L. O. I. Letter of Indent. M. S. Mild Steel. N. B. Nominal Bore. N. R. V. Non-return valve. N. T. S. Not to scale. O. B. D. Oil-bound distemper. O. D. Outer diameter. O. H. and P. Overhead and profit. O. H. T. Overhead. Tank. O. M. C. Optimum moisture content. O. P. C. Ordinary Portland cement. P. B. Plinth beam. P. C. Plain cement concrete. P. E. Preliminary estimate. P. O. Purchase order. P. O. P. Plaster of Paris. P. C. Pozzolana Portland cement. P. V. C. Polyvinyl chloride. R. C. Reinforced cement concrete. R. M. C. Ready mix concrete. R. Masonry. Random rubble. Masonry. S. Pipe. Stainless steel pipe. S. W pipes. Stoneware pipes. S. W. G. Standard wire gauge. T and P. Tools and plants. U. P.V.C. Pipe. Unplasticized. P.V.C. pipe. U. G. Underground. W. B. Wash basin. W. B. M. Waterbound macadam. G. S. B. Granular sub base. W. M. Wet mix. Macadam. W. C. Water closet. W. O. Work order. A. C. Air conditioning. A. C. B. Air circuit breaker. A. H. U. Air handling unit. A. M. C. Annual maintenance contract. D. B. Distribution board. E. W.C. European water closet. H. T cable. High tension cable. L. T. Cable. Low tension cable. M. C. B. Miniature circuit breaker. M. C. C. B. Molded case. Circuit breaker. S. F. U. Switch. Cum fuse unit. T. P. N. Triple phase and neutral. R. L. Reduced level STP. Sewage treatment. Plant. CBR. California. Bearing ratio. PPEs. Personal protective equipment. SHE. Safety, health and environment. FSI. Floor space index. EIA. Environment impact assessment. EC. Environment clearance. CTE. Consent to establish CTO. Consent to operate. SPCB. State Pollution Control Board. DPR. Detailed Project Report. CGWA. Central Groundwater Authority. CPCB. Central Pollution Control Board. MB. Measurement Book. TM. Transit Mixer. MIS. Management Information System. QC. Quality Control. WBS. Work Breakdown. Structure. MOEF. Ministry of Environment and Forest. SEAC. State Environment Assessment Committee. IMS. Integrated Management System. MSL. Mean sea level. HFL. Highest flood level R. A bill. Running account. Bill BG. Bank guarantee. SCM. Supply chain management. NGL. Natural ground level. HSE. Health, safety and environment. LPD. Litres per day. And there you have it. These abbreviations are essential to know for anyone involved in the construction industry. They help in understanding plans, specifications, and communicating effectively on site. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Civil Guru for more construction tips and tricks. Also, check out the link for the ebook in the video's description that I created. Estimating and Costing. You can find all the knowledge there about estimating and costing. See you in the next video.